quick update to where I'm up to with my multi-extruder Rook 180. A lot of the work I've been working on has just been actually tying up the cables. May not look very neat at the moment. Hanging off the back here, we've got the 3 extruders. 3, as you can see, 2 of them are using the bamboo hot ends. I've put this scaffolding structure around to try and tidy up the wiring. So all the wiring just comes through here. As you can see, I've currently not got the MKS Monster board in. I'm waiting for a replacement, but all my cables are all here waiting to be plugged in. They should all be the right length, and they've all got labels on saying what goes where. So hopefully that'll come along. I've got these 2 horseshoes either side to mount filament, specifically for the size of filament spools that I use. At the moment, I've got hanging off the back here the fan. I'm just reprinting a fan mount that's got an extension to help this loop of wires to be mounted a bit nicer. Otherwise, little other progress.